Hello RC fans, Racing 393. Part 11. Is it ever going to stop? Is it ever going to stop? Part 11 again of my Condor, my ACME Condor rebuild, which has been rebuilt. Let's be fair. Look at my eyes, tired. And we're trying to turn this into a rally car. In today's video, it's quite a short video. We've got the Bodyshell fitted. I wouldn't say it's finally fitted because the back of the Bodyshell is magnetized with magnets. The front is traditional posts and pins. It was a bit of a mission, although I have seemed to have worked out a way to do it for future. It was a bit more of a trial and error approach. The filming was probably minutes, 10, 15, not even 15 minutes, I don't think. The actual process of doing it was all afternoon. I'm absolutely knackered. That's the thing when trying to make things that are not supposed to be done, and it just takes so much time. I don't have all the tools at my disposal. Could have done with a pillar drill for one. Haven't got I used to have a pillar drill, but that went. So yeah. Anyway, enough of this, and I shall see you for part 12. When hopefully we'll get the Bodyshell a bit of paint on it or something. I'm not sure when I'll do that because it's the winter. So anyway, sit back, enjoy, shortish video. Hope you enjoy it, and I'll see you later. Then part 11. At the minute, I'm just going through the process of putting a brace on the front for the body mounts, for the front body mounts. The original idea was just to put one on, like a single one, but I didn't like that idea, so I'm going to change that. I'm going to keep the back, you can probably see on the camera there if I move that over, magnetic. They can be adjusted up and down. That's not too bad, but I'm trying to sort out some. This is an aluminium bit of box. I've got one bit in, I've just got to put a bolt in, a screw in there, nut, and do the other side. So I'm going to fit that on. Okay, because I've got the front mount on. I made a bit of a cock up, but I've kind of hidden it now. It's not level because it does move here a little bit. Yeah, I'd been a bit of a balls up, to be honest, but I could do with a pillar drill, if the truth be told. I mean, it's level, and you can see that because of my bloody arms in the way, but it is level. It's as level as it's going to get anyway. You can see the bubble. Got an idea how to do it next time when I'll do the other Bodyshell, but I've now got to try and figure out how to mount something like that, this bit. I mean, to be honest, I could probably mount that bit, the blue bit, and use this metal part, if I'm honest, because that does grip. All I need to do is to bolt that down. You can go any way you like. I might try that actually, so I've got another one there. Yeah, and then we can probably get the Bodyshell sort of fitted properly. Please trim it up though as well. So, right, let me do that bit if I can. Okay, that was a lot longer than anticipated, but you can see I've got some mounts on it. It's not, I'll tell you now, it's not perfect. This is more of a mock-up, but at least I know what to do next time. I'm probably going to need to buy some more of these, but not for this car. But the aluminium box sections here, and that's adjustable up and down, which I can do, and there'll be the pins for the Bodyshell, which is just there. So
it's probably worth, I don't know how I'm going to fit on there though. I think it's got to go down, but it won't go down. I need to see where it fits. I'm not sure the height. I don't know if it's going to sit there or it needs to be even lower than this, so that'll be the next thing, I suppose. Right, I'll amongst all other things, let's get the body shell fitted and see if we can get it on a bit easier and a bit more level. Yeah, anyway, let me do that and I'll be back. Right, there you go. I've trimmed the front up. They're not on too mega tight. I'll have to sort out something for that, but it is on. Just a bit rattling. I'll have to put some, maybe some sponge underneath or something, stop it rattling. The back's not fully on, but it's magnetised because the magnet's on the outside. They need to be on the other side. Trim the body shell a little bit. It can still sort of fettle around, but it's pretty much how I want it. I've got to drill the hole here for the exhaust. I've got to free up the suspension. It's gone a bit tight where it's not been used. I suppose now it'll be the final sort of trim up I'll do. I'm going to make this quite a short video, so I'm not sure when I get time to spray it yet. Because I've got to start cutting things out, but I think ultimately this is pretty much how it'll be fitted on the car. I've got a wing to put on, but that's by the by at the moment. But yeah, it looks alright. Will stick out, as I said, like a little bit. There's not much we can do about that, just because it's a buggy shell, but it's on there. It is fitted, and it's better than it was, so it's a little bit more secure at the front, and the back isn't quite done properly yet because the magnets are trying to magnetise through the Lexan. They've got to be on the other side. So that's, what is that? Part 12 on this series will be painting, which I haven't sorted that out yet. So yeah. So what do you think? It's turned out alright. It's not bad. It just wants a little bit of fettling here and there, but at least it's on there, which is more than what it was on the previous video. Yeah, I like that. Keep an eye out for part 12. I shouldn't do this long, should I? Part 12. I think that'll do for now. Hope you enjoyed it. Let us know what your thoughts are on it, and we'll see you on part 12 very soon. Thanks for watching, and bye for now.